What's going on, y'all? This is Rashad from raeshadbeats.com. Welcome back to another BeatNerd101 tutorial. And today I'm going to show you guys how to add 808 slides. In this video, I'm going to make this pretty quick. I'm going to show you guys how to have your 808s slide and give it that sliding sound. Basically, all you really have to do is add a couple of notes, but change the note property. And I'm going to show you exactly what that is. So, that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to show you guys how to slide your 808s. Right now, as you can see, I already have a pre-made beat that I made prior to the video. I'll play it for you guys. So, I want to add a couple of bass slides in this 808 pattern that I have already. I'm going to play it one more time just so you guys get a better hear it. So the first thing you will want to do, you will want to go to your 808 pattern and go straight to the piano roll. So I'll right click and go to it. And we're just going to pick places where we want the slide to be. So say like if I want the slide right here, as a matter of fact, I'll make it closer just for demonstration. If I want the slide right here, I'll create a note. I'll double click on the note and then go to note properties, and I will click on slide. So as you can tell, you heard a little bit, but if we extend the note, the longer the extent of the note, the longer it holds the slide. And you can mess around with it. Usually I'll bring it up higher just to give it like a real loopy sound for it. Let's go ahead and add a couple more, and I'm gonna demonstrate exactly how these work. So you can really place them anywhere you would need them to. I'm working in my 1/3 step on my snap, by the way, for people that would need to know. So you can mess around with these notes and put them anywhere in your 808 pattern. As you can see, they're turned down too. I'm gonna go ahead and reset these. But it's all about where you place them. I'm gonna add one more. And also another thing you want to do is keep the notes in the same key as the beat. You can go through them, but just listen to them and you'll see how they sound. Yeah, so that's cool. So that's basically all you need to know. In order to get that 808 to slide, create a note anywhere you need. Double click on your note, and as you can see, you can change your note properties. You can change your note property to slide, and it'll give it that slide feel. Also, one more thing to note before I end this video. When you look at your notes, make sure you see that little half triangle. That lets you know that is a slide note. So if you see your note slide, or if you see your note with that triangle on and you wondering why it doesn't hit on the note, it's because it's in the slide property. So also, so just be on the lookout for that whenever you're fixing your notes. You can also turn them off by double clicking the note and clicking the slide off and accepting it on the note properties. So that's basically how you add slides to your 808 patterns. It's really simple. All you have to do is just create a note like I did. all you really have to do is create a note, double click it and change the note properties, and then all you really have to do from there is extend the notes however long you need them to sustain, and the placements will give you different ways. You can experiment so many different ways with it. So thank you guys for tuning into this video, man. I appreciate you guys rocking out with BeatNerd101. Be on the lookout for more BeatNerd tutorials, and if you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you. Peace.